Dear Excellency, warm greetings from UNESCO Liaison Office. Dear Ambassador from Spanish-speaking countries, dear Ambassador of UN member states, distinguished guests, dear colleagues, all protocol observers, it is a real pleasure for me to be here today on behalf of Dr. Rita, the Director of UNESCO Liaison Office to African Union, ECA, and representative to Ethiopia. I am delighted to be here today for the celebration of Spanish language, which show our solidarity and our strong commitment to support Spanish-speaking countries. I would like to wish you a wonderful day. Allow me also to wish a nice celebration to the entire UN system. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the Spanish countries and ECA which organize this celebration. United Nations established Spanish Language Day in 2010 to celebrate multilingualism and cultural diversity. This initiative is strongly recognized by UNESCO. Indeed, Spanish is among the 6 working languages of UNESCO. Of course, that it has been recorded this morning that it is also among the 6 working languages of UN. This celebration honors the Spanish language global significance and cultural contribution. UNESCO is proud to be part of this celebration. Distinguished guests, today we realize that some languages, such as Spanish, play a pivotal role in development, mainly in promoting cultural diversity and intercultural dialogue, strengthening cooperation, offering quality education, building integrative knowledge society, preserving cultural heritage, and mobilizing political will to apply science and technology achievement to sustainable development. According to UNESCO, political and economical arrangement and peace talk of government are not enough to secure the lasting peace. Peace must be based on dialogue and mutual understanding. Peace must be built on intellectual and moral solidarity of humanity. Languages and multilingualism are also among the cornerstones of peace building. That is why UNESCO is convinced that without a culture and multilingualism, peace is not reachable. In this vein, language and multilingualism has been at the heart of UNESCO mandate for more than 60 years. They are still today and more than ever because we are witnessing an unprecedented valorization of intangible cultural heritage in all its forms. On the other hand, because of the fear of seeing globalization accelerate the rate of disappearance of many languages, as standards and norm setter, UNESCO is committed to adopt language and multilingual treaties and conventions by developing normative tools. The celebration of Spanish Language Day also coincides with the day to commemorate Miguel de Cervantes Saavedra. The day serves as a reminder of the rich heritage and dynamic presence of Spanish language. Today, with almost 600 million speakers worldwide, Spanish is among the top 4 most spoken languages globally. Its reach extends to at least 44 countries, highlighting its role in a key medium for communication, culture, and education. As has been recalled this morning, the choice of April 23rd also aligns with English Language Day, creating a unique connection between the two languages and their significant contribution to world literature and culture. This dual celebration emphasizes the importance of linguistic diversity to bridge cultural divides and promote global harmony. Dear distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to conclude my speech by recalling that as of today, according to UNESCO statistics, more than 43% of 6,017 languages spoken in the world are threatened with extinction. Only several hundred languages are truly valued in the education system and in the public domain, and less than 100 are used in the digital world. This means that every 2 weeks, a language disappears forever, taking with it an entire cultural and intellectual heritage. Now, it is time also to act, to support, to address this challenge. That is why UNESCO launched the International Decade of Indigenous Languages, 2022-2032, aimed at guarantee the right of indigenous people to preserve, revitalize, and promote their languages. Your contribution, dear ambassadors, are welcome. Thank you so much.